I'm with you.
I know.
They say they don't trust you, me, we, us, so we'll fall.
I can't imagine a world without you.
I know it's you, me, and it's all about.
There will always be a hiccup in Astro. Always.
I am the person I am today because of you.
I love you, Master Officer, with everything I have, and I always will.
And where you go, I go.
Thank you for everything.